People in Venezuela are angry after another election fraud by the dictator and Russian puppet Nicolas Maduro. People are revolting all over the country. Incredible footage are coming from near the residence of tyrant Maduro in Caracas from earlier today. Civil war appears to have begun. Maduro's regime enforcers are shooting up apartment buildings with live ammo.
Amedrentando. Mira, lo están mandando a los apartamentos.
Maduro's state-controlled media published fake results of the election that comically add up to 109.2%. National exit poll conducted by American firm Edison Research has Maduro at just 31% and Gonzalez at 65%. People took to the streets in a massive protests.
Vean el gentío que hay.
In case you are wondering how far the spontaneous manifestations of discontent in Venezuela go, this is Tucupita, Delta Amacuro. The dictator Nicolas Maduro once again unleashed a wave of violence, and the wounded Venezuelan people feel robbed.
Retrocedieron, retrocedieron. Así es, no joda. Así es.
Maduro regime enforcers are suffering casualties and retreating in the beach resort city of Porlamar on Margarita Island. Here we have a report that Nicolas Maduro has fled from the Miraflores palace. It is a matter of time for Venezuela to be free. Usually a bad sign for your dictatorship when thousands of dudes, unarmed and on motorcycles, show up and overtake your military base before turning your tanks into their jungle gym. If one of the Wagner Group airplanes arrives, Maduro is fleeing. Some police and National Guardsmen are switching sides against Maduro. However, this must happen on a much larger scale, especially in the military, if the people are to have a chance against the Maduro tyranny.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.